Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Malachite in Astroneer. This is especially useful for crafting copper, which is later used in more advanced recipes. So to begin, Malachite can be found on 2 planets, which include the starting planet, so you don't have to travel anywhere, and it is found inside of the mountains region. If you want, the Malachite can be also found on Calidor, inside of caves. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to go and travel to a mountains biome inside of Silva, the starting planet. And once you've traveled enough around mountains and found these kind of crystals, which are these kind of orange shaped crystals, and when you aim at them with your mining tool, it should say Malachite. So go ahead and mine them inside of the mountains biome. And once you hear a ping, once you've collected enough of this Malachite, you should hear a ping, which is going to indicate that you've collected 1 Malachite. So this is pretty much all. How to get Malachite in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.